Welcome to the Casual Comfort channel where you will learn a lot of interesting and useful things for yourself.
Ladies, beauty doesn't have an expiration date. As we embrace life over 50, our hairstyles can be a powerful way to express confidence, femininity, and timeless elegance. In 2025, the world of hair fashion is celebrating versatility and individuality more than ever. From soft waves to bold bobs, this year's trends are tailored to enhance your natural beauty and suit every personality and lifestyle. Whether you're looking for a new look to turn heads or simply want to refresh your style, this video is packed with inspiration. Stick around as we explore the top 5 most feminine and fashionable hairstyles of 2025, perfect for women who know their worth and aren't afraid to flaunt it. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and leave a comment to let us know which style speaks to you most. Now let's dive into the beauty trends shaping this year. The bob is back and better than ever. This year's layered version, complete with soft side bangs, frames the face beautifully, creating a youthful and chic appearance. The layers add movement and volume, making this style ideal for fine or thinning hair. Whether you go sleek or tousled, this look is versatile and can transition effortlessly from day to night. Pair it with subtle highlights to add dimension and bring out your features. Who says long hair is just for the young? In 2025, flowing waves are stealing the spotlight for women over 50. This style embraces femininity and elegance, offering a timeless appeal. The key to this look is maintaining healthy, glossy hair. Consider loose, natural curls or a soft wave created with a curling wand for a romantic touch. This hairstyle works beautifully for formal occasions or casual outings, radiating sophistication at every turn. For those who love a bold yet feminine statement, the Pixie Cut is a top contender. In 2025, the Pixie Cut is all about soft edges and subtle volume. A textured pixie with longer layers on top can soften the overall look while adding a playful, modern edge. Whether you choose a classic platinum shade or embrace your natural gray, this hairstyle exudes confidence and grace. Before we move on, here's a quick reminder. If you're enjoying this video, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you never miss our latest updates. Give this video a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments. Which of these styles would you love to try? Or do you have a signature look you swear by? We'd love to hear from you. The shag cut has undergone a sophisticated makeover this year, making it a must-try for women seeking a chic and trendy look. A mid-length shag with wispy layers and feathered ends creates a flattering frame for the face. This hairstyle is particularly stunning with balayage highlights that blend seamlessly into the layers, adding depth and warmth. It's low-maintenance yet effortlessly stylish, a winning combination. The long bob or lob continues to dominate hairstyle trends in 2025. This cut is perfect for anyone who wants a polished, professional look without sacrificing femininity. A sleek lob that grazes the collarbone is universally flattering and can be styled straight, curled, or even with a touch of beachy texture. Add a deep side part or curtain bangs for extra flair, and you've got a hairstyle that's as versatile as it is stunning. There you have it, 5 stunning, feminine hairstyles for women over 50 that are taking 2025 by storm. Remember, beauty is all about confidence and embracing who you are at every stage of life. Whether you're leaning toward the soft elegance of flowing waves or the chic sophistication of a polished lob, the perfect style is waiting for you. Thank you for joining us today. Don't forget to subscribe for more beauty and fashion tips tailored just for you. Hit that like button if you found this helpful, and let us know in the comments which look stole your heart. Stay fabulous, stay confident, and we'll see you in the next video.